Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful, healthy and delicious snack recipe. We're going to make these guilt-free wheat appams. We're going to steam cook these and they're super easy to make. Let's get started and check it out. First, let's begin to make the jaggery syrup. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of jaggery, which is about 250 ml in measurement. To this, add half cup of water and let it boil gently until the jaggery completely dissolves. If you prefer your appam a little sweeter, feel free to add some extra jaggery at this stage. Once it's completely melted, turn off the stove and keep the jaggery syrup aside. Now let's prepare the batter. Take 1 cup of wheat flour. I'm using the same cup we used to measure the jaggery, which is a 250 ml cup. To this, add 1/4 cup of semolina or suji rava. Next, half a cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, just a pinch of salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda or cooking soda. Mix everything well so all the ingredients are evenly combined. Next, pour the strained jaggery syrup into the flour mixture. Blend it thoroughly to form a nice smooth batter. The consistency should be slightly thick but still pourable. Now, since the semolina tends to absorb moisture, the batter will thicken as it rests. Don't worry if you've added a little extra water. The texture will balance out naturally. And just in case it becomes a little too watery, just add a teaspoon of wheat flour to bring it back to the right consistency. Now let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. This resting time allows the semolina to soak up all the flavors and gives the appam a perfect soft texture. After 10 minutes, check the consistency again. If it feels too thick, add a splash of water to make it flowy and smooth. For steaming, I'm using small cups. Grease each cup with a thin layer of ghee so the appams come out easily. Now pour a ladle of batter into each cup. Make sure it's just filled 1/4 of the cup. To make it look festive and inviting, place a cashew nut in the center of each cup and sprinkle some freshly grated coconut on top. Arrange these cups in an idli steamer plate and steam them for about 15 minutes. The aroma while they cook is absolutely divine. After 15 minutes, open the steamer and you'll be greeted with these beautifully puffed up, soft, golden brown wheat appams. Allow them to cool slightly before demolding. Once cooled, gently remove them from the cups and serve them nice and warm. The appams turn out soft, fluffy and full of flavor. The natural sweetness of the jaggery, the aroma of cardamom, the richness of coconut and that light crunch from the cashew nut on top just makes this irresistible. This is a perfect snack for kids, a guilt-free sweet for elders and a healthy treat for the whole family. The wheat appams are ready and we've made it in just about 30 minutes. They're super easy and they look absolutely delicious. I'm just going to quickly take a bite. They're just fabulous. They're so soft and very, very tasty. It's a wonderful guilt-free snack, I would say. Well, those wheat appams are very simple and quick to make. Next time you want to whip up something in just about 30 minutes, these are perfect. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.